Gee, Cherie, you make that sound pretty hard. I don't know if I'm ready yet. I just wanted to say, hi, I'm Laura Chambers. I'm your current chairman, and I've had so much fun the last year serving you in this role. Before that, I got the opportunity to work as the vice chair of events, which was, whoever's running for that, it's a lot of work. I hope you're ready. But it's a lot of fun. I want to continue working with you guys in a different capacity. Cherie Short has been our national committee woman, and I'm excited to follow in her footsteps. I won't take too much more time, but I came to DC to work, like many of you, on the national scene. I've worked on the Hill for 3 years. I think I might be done soon. I don't know. No, I've worked on the Hill for 3 years, and it's been great. But I really, even working in that environment, I really missed a more campaign environment where it wasn't just about policy, it wasn't just about my one guy, where I actually got out on the ground and got to work with other people who are really passionate about getting someone elected with an R beside their name. And I didn't find that niche until I came to the DC Young Republicans. And that is something that we do so well, and that is the reason that I've been here and stuck around. And anyway, so I'm looking forward to continuing to work at the national level with our chapter, and as well as here locally. That's it. Thanks.
Wonderful.